How to find a halfway point on Google Maps. Need to meet someone halfway or find the best midway point between two locations. In this tutorial I'll show you how to find the halfway point on Google Maps, so let's get started. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your phone or visiting maps.google.com on your computer. In the search bar, enter your starting point and destination. Click directions to get the route between the two locations. Google Maps doesn't have a built-in feature to calculate the exact halfway point, but you can use a third-party tool like Midway or distance calculator. Simply enter your starting and destination points into the tool and it will calculate the halfway point. After using the third-party tool, you'll be provided with a location near the midpoint, and you can now manually search for this location in Google Maps to see it. Once you've found the halfway point, you can zoom in on the area in Google Maps to check for nearby places like coffee shops, restaurants or gas stations, and you can meet whoever you want to meet right there. And that's how you can find your halfway point on Google Maps, only using a third-party tool for now. If you need more tips, check out the links in the description. If you need more tips, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.